Hi, welcome to the IF and Dhaba. I am Seema. Today we are going to be doing a thick yogurt salad. So to know how to make it, keep watching. So the ingredients required for a thick yogurt salad are: we need 1 bowl of thick yogurt, we need coriander leaves, diced cucumber, 1 boiled potato, 1 bowl of peas which are boiled, de-seeded tomato and 1 boiled beetroot, capsicum 1 large, 2 teaspoons of green chili diced, sugar, kala namak, jeera powder, salt to taste and black pepper. So to make the yogurt salad, here we start with the dahi. Just pour the dahi into the bowl. So we add in the kala namak, about 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, green chilies, sugar. The masalas are all in, and now I'm just going to stir it well. And now we also add in the jeera powder. And we just mix this all together. So now all these are mixed with green chilies. So now I'm going to add in the vegetables. So here go in the tomatoes. Here goes in the cucumber. Here go in the green peas. Here goes in the capsicum. Here go in the boiled potatoes. Here goes in the coriander. Now I will just mix this gently. So I have added in all the vegetables, the cucumber, the tomatoes, the capsicum. Choice is yours. Whichever vegetables you like, you can add. And the other thing is, this is not a raita. It is basically thick because there's a lot of salad inside it. And now I'm going to add some beetroot, so you will see the change of color also. So I will just transfer this a little bit into this bowl. You can see the consistency of the dahi, it's really thick. So now I add in the beetroot. So here you can see, after adding the beetroot, the color of the yogurt has changed and it's come to a very pretty pink. So the choice is yours. You want to keep the yogurt white or you want to keep the yogurt, get it into a pink color by adding a little boiled beetroot. So here we have our yogurt salad, which is ready. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries, comments, write in. Thank you.